Hi there, I'm Sarah from Knit a Bit of Whimsy, and I'm here to demonstrate the left cable or LC stitch, as you may have seen in my Country Girl cowlet pattern. Now, the LC stitch is basically a 1x1 cable. We're going to be swapping places of those first two stitches on your left hand needle. So we're going to insert our right hand needle in between the first two stitches, knit the second stitch on your left hand needle, and then you're going to go ahead and knit the first stitch on that needle. And once that's done, you can go ahead and remove both stitches from your left hand needle. So again, you're going to pop your needle in between the first two stitches, knit that second stitch. It's a typical knit stitch, and try to just catch that one leg, of course, right? Just like a normal knit stitch. And then go ahead and knit the first stitch on your needle. And you can remove those from the needle at that point. Now you can see I'm keeping my tension really quite loose here. This stitch is a lot simpler if you keep a fairly loose tension. Once things get tight, it's really hard, especially to kind of get into that second stitch on your left hand needle. And because you end up kind of twist things around and everything. So I really recommend keeping a relatively loose tension, just to make your life a bit easier. So that was the left cable or LC stitch. You can find more tips, tricks, and patterns at knitabitofwhimsy.com. Thanks for watching.